I am going to show very quickly how to make a turntable video. I'm using this guy here. I'll show you the setup here first. So there's what I'm rotating. I have a backdrop, and all I'm doing for backdrops is I just make a plane and bend it up around, get it large enough so it's larger than the frame of the camera. I put one camera in there, as you can see there, 2 lights, and just play around with it till you like it. And then there's an environment light, and other than that, that's my setup. Okay, so the big thing is you need to find your track bar. Is that what they call it? The track bar. That's for animation. It's down here. So you go up in the customize, show user interface, and then you have all these different, selections that you can make. So you show your track bar, go to your camera view, and I already have it set up. This is the one I want. I've already done this, and you can see when you pick on the object that you want to record or animate, then you get your little keyframes down at the bottom. So I'll delete these real quick. Delete, 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 delete. Make a keyframe. Okay, turn them on. Set key right there. I'm going to make this 60, or I'm going to make it a 4-second video. So 60 frames I'll render and make it at 15 frames per minute. So 90, rotate it 90, set a keyframe, move it up another 30. We just set 4 different spaces, move it 180. All right, set a keyframe, move it another 15. Set it 270, enter, set that keyframe, and then at 60, I'm doing 360 so it continues in the right direction. I guess it doesn't really matter, but that's what I'm doing. And set that keyframe, and then this is what it does. It makes 1 rotation. Okay, so you do that, set up your renderer, and I set my the output size already. The only thing here is that you want to click on the range from 0 to 60. What this does is it does the first frame. I'll close this out. We don't need this. Or you pick the location that all these images go to. It's a little slow for some reason. Something's going on. Oh, there we go. I'm not going to save it. I'm going to just use this because I already have it. I just want to finish this. So the render setup, this is going to go to where this saves the file. Okay, so what it does is it's going to render that image, render that image, render that image, render that, and so on all the way to the end. And it takes about 5 minutes per image. So once all of this is rendered, it goes to a file, and so what we'll do then, we'll just close this out. So this is that's the 3ds Max part. Don't save. So we bring in Photoshop and open Photo Open. And this is the only thing that is tricky. Your images will be named 001, 02, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way to the end of what you're doing. You only need to pick the first one, then find on whatever version you're using this down here that says image sequence. Hit open, and frame rate, I set the frame rate to 15, and there is my model. You can see for a grungy guy, he has very, very white teeth. Maybe I'll fix that later. And so down at the bottom, here's your screen. You can get up into these views or windows, and you can open and close the timeline, things like that. Okay. File, export. Now let's see, there's another one. Export, render video down here. Export, render video. This little screen pops up, gives you a bunch of options, high quality, the size, the frames you want rendered into a video, and we'll go to the file. So what we have here is, this is the video, how it turned out. Repeat, there's a little hiccup at the end, but you can put that in another software and it will even that out. Okay, that's it.